what they're all about. Are you flashing a sign there? Welcome, Joanne Spreitzer. Thank you. Oh, Joanne, can we start with video?
Let me just do a little introduction and we'll do that and continue then. First, I'd like to thank Raphael for inviting us here. He met us originally, as he said, in Chicago, and it was a surprise, but a pleasant surprise when he came and Leah came to come down this distance. But as you'll find out, that as you start working with these formulas, it's an incredible movement that happens with you that takes you to all different places of this planet that are unexpected. My husband and I never expected to go to Istanbul, Turkey, and we've done that a couple of times, and it's pretty amazing. So what I'd like to do is, before we start, first to understand that the name of the company is Perfect Science, and also we go into the name of Vitarian Agua, and that is the formulations that you drink, the meditation water, if you've gotten it from Raphael, or some of the other formulas that we'll introduce to you when you're here today. The formulas themselves are actually incorporated in Delaware in the United States, and that was done in April of 1998. The formulas that are used for the environment, those do come from Istanbul, Turkey, but the ones that we consume come from the United States. We're going to show you a video so you can be introduced to one of our formulators, and that's Ayhan Dayuk, and he is from Istanbul, Turkey. And Raphael, do you want to put that on for us, please? When you're watching this video, I want you to enjoy it, but also think in your mind about the fact of what you are seeing on those videos is what you're seeing in these environmental products. Not the same as what you're taking internally or what you're using on your body, but what you can use in your own home and make changes on the planet. And obviously what we make changes on this planet is affecting the entire universe, so we've got a big impact here of what we can do. So when you watch this video, I think you'll get an understanding.
Years preceding 1857, Earth's ecological balance was secure. However, in that year petroleum was discovered, ushering in a new age in an industrialized world. It was this industrial era that initiated the onslaught of pollution in the form of hydrocarbons and the subsequent devastation of the ecological balance of Mother Nature. Ultimately, humans were without remedy for this rising threat. The International United Council Habitat 1 Summit was formed at the United Nations with the official code of 44/228, wherein it was reported that Earth's ecological balance had been destroyed. An effort to renew ecological balance by way of new technologies was desperately needed. A world with no clean water brings drought and famine. Plants and greenery dying, the air becomes more polluted, and the ozone stratum depleted. Mankind has despoiled its own, treating Earth as if it were only something from which to take endlessly. This myopic perspective has now resulted in placing our precious Earth, along with all of its sacred life, in danger of imminent destruction. oil is being mixed with water. Normally oil and water do not mix, but with the addition of the Perfect Science formula, oil and water can now mix. The resultant liquid is a bionutrient, fatty and amino acids, which can be used as a fertilizer. Now, ordinary motor oil is being mixed with the Perfect Science formula. Within seconds, the oil is transformed into non-toxic substances. These bionutrients are completely safe for the environment and can also be used as a fertilizer. In this demonstration, Perfect Science formula is being mixed with gasoline. When the formula is mixed with gasoline, it encapsulates the hydrocarbon molecule, thus preventing the fire from starting. But is unable to pass through any liquid treated with the Perfect Science formula.